And we are live. We are live, guys. Who's going to be the first to join? Sorry. Hello, Hussein. Welcome, welcome. You're the first to join. Welcome, my friend. Hello, hello. Hope you're well. Guys, today's live here is a slightly more different live, guys. We're going to be going through just some exam questions, okay, that I found, okay, at home actually. So I found some questions, okay, looking at some topic test one. It's a 20-minute test. Obviously, we'll not obviously do it in time conditions. Looking at some basic algebra for GCSE maths, guys, okay, and this is for the higher tier, okay. Hello, LFC for life. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. It's good to see you on the call. Hello, unknown. Hello, Reese. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. We'll give it like 3 minutes, guys, and then we'll start. Okay, so yeah, it's just like a little short activity today, doing some revision for basic algebra. Okay, just give me 1 second, guys. 1 second, okay. 1 second. Whilst I just get a bit sorted. Okay, there's quite a few joining now. Okay, are we ready to start, guys? Are we ready to start? Okay. Look at some questions today. Okay, this is the plan, guys. Yeah, to have a look at this. Hello, Stu. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Said Jama. Hello, user. Welcome, welcome. Hello, guys. Afternoon, I hope everyone's doing well, guys. Guys, if you're in here, tap the screen, guys, and share the live out. Well, I've got 7 people in here today, guys. This is awesome. Hello, C. Hello, CM. Welcome, welcome. Hello, the Henna Bar UK. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Griff. Hello, Nazia Khan. Right, guys, is it ready to start now, or shall we wait for a few more to join? Okay, so looking at some topic test one from AQA, basic algebra for higher tier, guys. Okay, yeah, looking at just some questions today. Hello, Cheeky. Hello, Lal Bano. Hello, user. Welcome, welcome. Guys, are we ready to start, or should we wait for a few more minutes? Sorry, guys, I've not got a tripod actually, so I'm going to be holding with my other hand actually, the camera. Sorry, I apologise. Are we ready to start, guys? Hello, hello, Stuart. Hello, Tori. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Zach. Hello, Zach. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Dre. Right, guys, are we ready to start or not? Hello, Brian. Welcome, welcome. Hello, TP. We've got 9 people on the live now, so I think we're ready to begin, guys. If there's any questions, then obviously do stop me, okay? I moved it to maths. Oh, awesome. Okay, user says start. Do I need more lighting? Why? Is this not good enough? Clipped? Can you read that, guys? Or is it a bit dark? Sorry. Are you doing further? Oh, awesome, buddy. Awesome. Okay, so user says start. Awesome, Zach. Can you see this, guys? Is it clear? Okay, someone says it's all right. Guys, is it clear, guys? Can you read it? Sorry about the jerkiness, guys. Ready to start? Okay. Okay, so the answer to the first one, guys, it says circle the expression. You can't read it. It's a bit blurry. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, 1 second. Let me just see if I can... Oh. Let me just move it a bit to the right, guys. Sorry. Is that any better, guys? Is that any better? So Clip to Funny says he can't read it. Yeah, that's better. Okay, good, good. Okay, question number one, guys. Circle the expression. Okay, that's much better. Okay, thank you, Clip. Much better. Thank you, Clip to funny. Okay, so first question. Okay, circle the expression that is equivalent to 6n minus 3n times 2n plus n. So here we're going to use BIDMAS. So we're going to do the timesing first. So we're going to do 3n times 2n. Okay, sorry about my pen there. Okay, so that'll be 6n squared. So I'm going to have 6n take away 6n squared. Okay, and then I'm going to have the plus n. Okay, collecting my like terms now, guys. I'm going to have 6n plus n, so that'll be 7n. So my final answer is 7n minus 6n squared, which is going to be option 3. So well done, guys. Yeah, if you got that, guys. Okay, that's the answer to the first one. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense, that first question? Let me know in the chat. Okay, good, good. Okay, the next one, guys. Okay, good, good. Okay, so it says expand this single bracket. So your answer, so it's a times a. A times a is a squared. And a times negative 4 is going to be negative 4a. So my final answer is a squared minus 4a. So I'm going to circle option number 1. Okay. Question number 3, guys. Factorize fully this one here, and it's worth 2 marks. Okay, so this one's a bit more trickier. So whenever it says factorize fully or fully factorize, I'm trying to take out the biggest common factors that are common in both. So the highest common factor between 10 and 5 is 5, because 5 goes into 10 twice and 5 goes into 5 once. Okay, I can also factor out an x because I've got an x squared here and an x, so I can factor out an x. Okay, brackets. Well, 5x times what is 10x squared? 5x times 2x is 10x squared. And 5x times what is minus 5xy? Well, that would be negative y or minus y, okay? And check it by expanding it. 5x times 2x is 10x squared. 5 times 2 is 10. X times x is x squared. And then 5x times minus y is minus 5xy, okay? Does that make sense, guys? Let me know in the comments. Does it make sense? Okay, Gridsy says yes. Okay, brilliant. Okay, brilliant. Welcome, Football Edits. Sorry, guys. I'm being a bit slow with you. Okay, good. Actually. Okay, Neely says yes. Okay, brilliant. Okay, brilliant. Okay, any questions, guys? Let me know. Okay, this one's a bit more tricky, guys. Actually, it's a bit more trickier. This is looking at some equivalents. So the 3 lines mean equivalence here. So equivalence here for question number 4. So I've got 3x brackets x plus 12 is equivalent, i.e. the same as 3x squared plus cx. Well, so work out the possible values of c. Okay, so expanding the brackets, I'm going to expand this back actually. So 3x times x is going to be 3x squared. 3x times plus 12 is plus 36x. Okay, that's going to be equivalent, okay, to 3x squared plus c squared x. Okay, so are we happy with this first step, guys? Yes, identities, yes, spot on, yes. This is for identities, yes. So this question here is higher tier only, okay? The first 2 or the first 3 questions here can also appear on foundation, okay, good. Hey, sorry guys, I've not got a trap on shares, so yeah, sorry if it is a bit jerky, I apologize. Okay, but do obviously stop me. Okay, so the next step now is I'm gonna compare coefficients. So yes, it does appear on Excel. Yes, it does. Yes. So this, what's wrong with your voice? You're not being rude. Well, this is actually my voice, yeah, Aisha. This is my voice. Okay, so this is equal to this. Okay, yes, AQA, yes, at the top, sorry. It's AQA, yeah, topic test, okay. So, they are the same, guys. Right, if I compare the coefficient of x's, I've got 36 is equal to c squared. So I've got 36 is equal to c squared. What's the opposite of squaring, guys? It'll be the square root. Now, be careful here. So I'm going to have plus or minus root 36. Okay, is equal to C. So therefore, C is equal to plus or minus 6. Okay? Does that make sense, guys? Does it make sense? What about the excellent initiate? Okay, so if I compare coefficient of x's, I've got an x here and then I've got an x here. However, the numbers in front of the x, okay, mean that 36 has to equal c squared, okay, by this definition here. Okay, the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side for all values of x and c, guys. Okay, so that is that part there, okay? Does that make sense, guys? So from there, okay, 36 is equal to c squared. Therefore, the opposite of squaring, c is equal to plus or minus 6. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Okay, good, good. Guys, if we can, tap the screen, guys. So did you minus x? Sorry, what does that mean, Neely? Sorry, can you say that again? Yeah, because it's not very clear with your question. Sorry. Oh, thank you for liking. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you for liking. Thank you so much for liking. So, does that make sense, guys? Are there any more questions? Thank you for liking. Okay, good, good. Okay, next question now. It's a bit more trickier in terms of grades now, okay? Right, question number 6, guys, okay? It says the rectangle and the equilateral triangle have equal perimeters. Yes, sorry. Work out an expression in terms of x for the length of a side of a triangle. Give your answer in its simplest form. Okay. So perimeter is the distance around the shape, guys. Distance around the shape. Okay. So it's this plus this plus this plus this. Now, the properties of a rectangle mean that these two lengths are going to be equal. So that's going to be 3 brackets 4x plus 2. And similarly, this and this are going to be equal. Okay, so that's going to be 6 brackets x minus 2. So does that make sense so far, guys? Sorry, I'm moving my hand out of the way. Does that make sense so far? Okay, good, good. Okay, so to work out the expression for a perimeter of a rectangle, I'm gonna do, so perimeter is gonna equal to this plus this plus this plus this. Okay, okay, good, good. Thank you, Roman, for liking. Thanks so much, Roman, for liking. Hello, Esme, welcome, welcome. So what I'm going to do is expand the bracket out. Okay, so expanding this out, I'm going to get 12x plus 6. Thank you for liking. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you, Simon, for liking. Thank you so much for liking. Plus, expand this out. So I'm going to have 6x minus 12. Okay, plus this again. So plus this. 12x plus 6. Okay, so sorry guys about my lighting. Apologize, sorry. And then finally, plus this again. So 6x minus 12. Okay, does that make sense so far, guys? Does that make sense so far? Okay, good, good. Okay, now collecting like terms, guys. So collecting like terms. Okay, I've got 12x plus 6x. Yes, spot on, Kleptophon. Yes, that's correct. So 12x plus 6x is 18x. Plus 12x will be 30x. Plus 6x, so that'll be 36x. Okay. Then I've got 6 plus 6 is 12. Minus 12, that'll be 0. Minus 12, actually, again, so that'll be minus 12. Okay. So that is the perimeter, okay, of my rectangle. Does that make sense so far, guys? Okay, Roman says yes. Okay, brilliant. Okay, excellent. Well done. Okay. Is it a bit too fast, guys, or is it making sense? Can I show the full page? I can try. I can try. Yes, sorry. Okay. Does it make sense, guys? Thank you, Simon, for liking. Oh my God, it's nearly 1K likes for this year. Awesome, awesome. Hello, Evie. Welcome, welcome. Okay, does it make sense so far, guys? Okay, the last step now. Now it's saying that it wants the length of a side of a triangle. Okay, but it's so it's an equilateral triangle. Can you work it out first and then multiply by 2? Yes, you can. Yes, 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 you can. Thank you for liking. Oh my God, actually 1.1K likes. Thank you so much. Okay. So the last step now is to divide by 3, okay? Because we want one side of equilateral triangle. Sorry, actually, sorry, I can't say seriously. So all these sides here are going to be the same, okay? So dividing this by 3, that's going to go to 12x, and then minus obviously divided by 3 is going to be minus 4. So our final answer is 12x minus 4, or if you factorized it, okay, 4 brackets 3x minus 1. Okay, either answer would suffice. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Thank you for liking. Thank you, Bobby Matty, for liking. Thank you, Bobby Matty, for liking. Okay, good, good. Are there any questions, guys? Okay, yep, so divided by 3 because I want one side of my equilateral triangle, okay? So we want one side of the triangle. Now, all 3 sides here are going to be the same. Okay, so this is going to equal to 3 lots of this, okay? Because, yeah, it's the same perimeter, okay? So we divide it by 3. Does that make sense, Neely? Does that make sense? Let me know, Neely. Does it make sense? Okay, good, Bob Matty. Okay, good, good. Okay, good. Okay, next question. Do you want to have some time here to try this, guys, or should I just go through this one? I don't mind. Thank you, Bobby Matty, for liking. Thanks so much for liking. Hello, Bethany. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Bobby Matty. Okay, go through it, please. Okay, no worries. Okay, so again, similar to question 3 actually, but obviously I've got like an equal sign here. So 6 lots of x minus k equals 5x plus 4, where k is a positive integer. Show that x show that x must be an even number. Okay, so expanding the bracket out, I'm gonna have 6x minus 6k. Thank you, Edit Meme, for liking. Thank you, Bobby Matty, for liking. Thank you, Edit Meme, for liking. Thank you, Bobby Matty, for liking. Is equal to 5x plus 4. Okay, does that make sense so far, guys? Let me know. This is actually higher tier, yeah, higher tier. Sorry, higher tier. Okay. So it says, show that x must be an even number. So if I now subtract 5x on both sides, okay, 6x minus 5x is going to be 1x. So I'm going to have x minus 6k is equal to 4. I'm now going to add 6k to both sides. Okay, so I'm going to get x is equal to 4. Thank you, TK, for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow, TK. Hello, Aiden. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so 4 plus 6k. So does that make sense so far? Thank you, BK, for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow. Thank you, Aiden, for liking. Welcome, Aiden. That best. Okay, thank you so much, Edit Meme. Thank you, BK, for liking. Okay, so to prove that this is an even number, I'm going to factor out a 2. So I'm going to have x is equal to 2 lots of, sorry, it's a bit more of a Thank you, Aiden. Thank you so much, buddy. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. So 2 lots of 2 plus 3k. Now from here, okay, this itself tells me that 2 times anything will always be an even number. Okay, it doesn't matter what k is because it's in the form x equals 2n, and we know that 2n is always even, guys. Okay, yeah. So 2n is always even. Okay, so does that make sense, guys? Oh my god, we've got 21 people in here. Awesome, awesome. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Okay, so that's the answer to that question. So this topic here is like, yeah, it is proof with even numbers. So proof with even numbers, yeah, involving algebra. Okay, yeah. Can we hit 10k likes, guys? That's my target today. 10k likes. Sorry, I apologize. Sorry, I don't mean to scare you. I apologize. Sorry, but this is my voice. Yes, I apologize for scaring you. I apologize, but this is what I sound like. Okay, thank you so much, H, for the follow. Yeah, thank you so much for the. It's fine, Mr. President. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, next question, guys. Are we ready or not? Sorry, guys. I've not got a tripod. Actually, a tripod. Sorry. Okay, cool. Okay, it is quite like a short test, guys. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Ray says ready. Okay. Thank you, Frozen. Yeah, no worries. Thank you. Thank you, Frozen. Sorry, guys. I'll just talk to someone. Sorry, apologize. Okay, question 7, guys. Are we ready for this question? Hello, Angelina. What does UHM mean? Sorry. Okay, Ray says yes. Thank you, Edit Meme, for liking. Okay, Neely says yes. Okay, cool. Okay, the diagram shows two two rectangles. All dimensions are in centimeters. Okay, so we got 2 rectangles. Thank you, Cliptophony, for liking. Thank you so much for liking. Okay, write an expression in terms of x for the shaded area. Okay, again, it's a super hot topic here for GCSE higher tier maths. Okay, so first step. Okay, the area of this big rectangle will be this times this, guys. Okay, so it'd be 5x brackets 2x minus 1. Okay, that's the area of this big rectangle. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Hello, welcome. Hello, welcome. Okay, good. Okay, yes. Okay, so it's that times that. Okay, so yes, spot on, Cam. Yes, spot on. Okay, so expanding the brackets. Thank you, Edit Meme, for liking. I'm gonna have, yes, it is higher tier. Yes, higher tier AQA. This is, but it's appropriate for all examples. Thank you, Neely, for liking. Okay, 5x times minus 1 is going to be minus 5x. Thank you, Neely, for liking. Okay, so that's the area of this big rectangle. Now, the area of this small rectangle. Hello, Dom. Welcome, Dom. So, area of small rectangle. Hello, Hamza. Welcome. Is 3 lots of this. Okay, so 3 brackets. Sorry, I'll try and put it up. Thank you, Abdul, for the follow. Thank you so much, Abdul, for the follow. 3 brackets x plus 1. Yes, spot on, Edit Meme. Yes. Okay, no worries. 3x plus 3. Okay, is this higher, teacher? Yes, it is. Angelina, yes. Thank you for all the follows, guys. Thank you all for all the follows. I appreciate all the follows. Thank you for liking. Oh, 4K likes, guys. We are smashing it today. Okay, thank you, Edit Meme, for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow, guys. Thank you for the follow, guys. Okay, are there any questions so far? Does it make sense? Okay, cool. So, the area of the shaded part will be this, take away this. Okay, so be very careful here. So this, take away that. So it'd be 10x squared, take away 5x, subtract this. Okay, so it'd be minus 3x minus 3. Okay, are we happy with that? So now collecting like terms, it'll be 10x squared minus 5x minus 3x becomes minus 8x. So minus 8x minus 3. Okay? And that is my final answer. So 10x squared minus 8x minus 3. Okay, and it is a minus here because I'm taking away this here. Okay, I'm hello Sophie, welcome Sophie. It's good to see you again. So yes, it would. Yes, so 2 minuses make a plus. Yes, but I'm subtracting this. Okay, so that's why it becomes a negative there. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Okay, well done, Angelina. Well done, excellent. Well done. Hello, Yusuf. Well done. Okay, are there any questions, guys? Hello, welcome. Okay, good. Excellent. Are there any questions? Okay, so question from Ray. How many times should I aim to revise a week to get a 7 in Feb mocks? I got a 4 last time. Okay, that is a good question. I would say personally, do maybe 1 hour a day. So 1 hour tops a day. Okay, so 1 hour a day. Okay, looking at some past papers. Okay, I would say personally, okay, check out Corbett Maths here and do the 5 a day. Okay, so 5 a day here. So 5 a day here, Corbett Maths. Okay, for the higher plus the foundation plus questions and the foundation. Okay, so try those questions here and like look at your like Maths Genie and like practice your like maths worksheets. Okay, so is that okay, Ray? Okay, R says I did have the hard integration and I did it. Okay, cool. Cam says, well, it might be that because the person's in year 10, so maybe they want to sit higher. For year 10, I would say focus on understanding the content okay, and just practice your just practice your like exam questions. I would say personally, okay. So Frozen, can we just be polite, please, okay? Okay. Oops. I think, guys, that is the last question for today's paper. I think it was. So yeah, I do have some more questions here. So, are you wanting to? Should we do some more questions? Look at some more algebra. Is that all right, guys, or not? Okay, Neely says yes. Okay, Sam's got a thumbs up. Okay, excellent. Okay, were there any questions? Sorry, from that last question, guys. Yeah, were there any questions from? Oh no, sorry, I haven't actually finished. Sorry, I apologize. Sorry, there's one more question. Sorry, I forgot about this one. Sorry. So it's question 8, guys. Sorry. Okay, so Ray, I've got a few videos on that on my YouTube and on my TikTok, Ray. So check it out, Ray, if you can. Okay. Okay, so Angela says the triangle question. Okay, so should we have a look at this one again? Okay, so question 5 says, guys, yeah, no worries, Ray, no worries. Hey, hello, Alia. Or Aliyah, sorry, welcome. Okay, so question 5 says the rectangle and the equilateral triangle, okay, have equal perimeters, okay? So it says here, so work out an expression in terms of x for the length of a side of a rectangle. Give your answer in its simplest form. Okay, so what I did first of all was I worked out the perimeter of this rectangle, okay? So it's distance around the shape, Angelina, sorry. So I then obviously expand here. So expand this, I get 12x plus 6. Expand this, I get 6x minus 12. Expand this, I get this again, so I'll put it there. And then expand this, and I'm gonna get that, okay. Alex, it's not true. I don't have a voice changer. Okay. I don't know why people actually say that, but okay. I haven't even got like an app for like a voice changer, so I don't even know how that's possible. Okay. So, I then collected like terms. So 12x plus 6x is 18x. Double that, and I get 36x. 6 plus 6 is 12. Minus 12 is going to be 0. Minus 12 again, actually, I get minus 12. Okay, so I do higher, and I got a U in my November mock. I don't know how to improve. Okay, B. If you drop me a follow, B, and then I'll try and give you some advice if I can. But don't panic. There's still obviously a bit of time. Actually, thank you, B, for the follow. Yeah. Just drop me a DM, B. Yeah. Like if you send me a DM, actually, it might be easier, rather than like say it on the live. Actually, it might be easier to chat to you on the one. So just send me a DM, B, and I'll try to obviously help you. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I don't mean to be rude. Actually, it's because we've got a lot to obviously get through today. So yeah, I want to try and be fair. But my advice for that, B, is to go over the content. So maybe buy a revision guide off Amazon or in WH Smith or Waterstone, and like practice, like learn the actual content, okay, and then just obviously practice questions, from like a workbook or a textbook or past papers. Yeah, either should be fine. Is that okay, B? Yeah. Sorry, guys. Hello, Sophie. Welcome, Sophie. It's good to see you again. Okay, sorry, guys. Yeah, I diverted a bit there. No worries, B. No worries. I'm happy to help. Okay. Okay, sorry. So back to this question. Yes, sorry, Angelina. So 36x minus 12. Thank you, Sophie. Thank you. Yeah, it's good to see you too as well, actually. Yeah, nice to see you as well. Okay. So 36x minus 12, that's the total perimeter of this rectangle. Now, at the beginning, it says the triangle and the rectangle have the same perimeter. So therefore, the perimeter of this triangle is 36x minus 12. Welcome, Charlie. Welcome, Charlie. Okay, so because it's an equal triangle, okay, I divided this expression by 3, and I got 12x minus 4. Okay, oh, thank you so much, Charlie, for the rose. Thank you so much for the rose, Charlie. Hello, Lucas. Okay, does that make sense, Angelina? Does that make sense now? Hello, Philippi. Oh, thank you so much, Sophie. Thank you so much for the rose, Sophie. Thank you so much. Because I'm working out one side length. Okay, so it's saying the length of a side of a triangle. So it wants one side length. All 3 side lengths add up to this. I only want 1. Thank you so much, Sophie, for the lightning bolt. Thank you so much. Possibly Charlie, maybe not today, but another time actually, possibly. Thank you guys for all the gifts. Okay, thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay. Does that make sense? Okay, cool. Okay, back to this question, sorry. Okay, sorry guys, it's a bit hard to see, I apologise. Okay, write this expression in terms of the form A brackets bx plus c. Hello, Tash. Welcome, Tash. Hello. Okay, thank you, Sophie, for liking. Thanks so much for liking. Okay. So, I'm not gonna. So, sorry, yeah. So, do you want to give it a go, guys? Oh, everyone's left now, apparently. Oh, that's not good. Okay. So, I'm going to expand the brackets, collect like terms, and then obviously factorize my expression. So, expanding this bracket, I'm going to have 3 times 7x is going to be 21x. 3 times minus 1 is going to be minus 3. Minus 6 times... this is actually AQA KTO, but it's appropriate for OCR as well. Thank you, Just G's, for the follow. Thanks so much for the follow. Guys, we've got 7 new followers today. This is awesome. Thank you so much. Guys, we're so close to 2K followers, guys. So close to 2K followers. Okay, so... Hello, Connor. Welcome, Connor. Sorry, yeah. So minus 6 times x is going to be minus 6x. Minus 6 times positive 4 is going to be minus 24. Plus 2. Okay, collecting like terms now. So 21x minus 6x is going to be 15x. Okay. Minus 3 minus 24 is minus 27. Plus 2 will be minus 25. Okay. It wants it in the form a brackets bx plus c. So I'm going to factorize that. So factorize a 5 out because that's my highest common factor. So 5 brackets 3x. Hello, Isabella. Welcome, Isabella. It's good to see you. Minus 5. Okay. And that, guys, is my final answer. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Are there any questions, or can I move on? So A being the one, yeah, no, it's a good question, yeah. So it's just saying where the number at the front is bigger than 1, because when you factorize an expression, okay, you're looking for the highest common factor, okay? Obviously, 5 is bigger than 1, isn't it? Okay, because, like, hello, Primary Maths Pro, welcome. Hello. It's good to see you. Okay, so when you factorize that out, okay, you want a factor here bigger than 1. Does that make sense? Are there any questions? Okay, no worries. Okay, should we do some more, guys, or should we finish? I don't mind. I've got some more here, I believe. Should we do some more, or should we finish for? I don't mind. Okay, so Neely says more. Okay, right, guys. Okay, so okay, Neely says more. Okay, no worries. Okay, Sim says more. Okay, we'll do maybe like another like 20 minutes, guys. Yeah, and then we'll probably finish up. Yeah, to make it fair. Is that all right? Okay. Do you want to try these questions, guys? Okay, Sim says, yeah, no worries. Okay, so question 1. So shall I just go through it, guys, or give you time to actually practice the question? Sorry, one sec, guys, 1 sec, sorry. Right, guys, question number 1. Okay, circle the line. Oh, someone's put third. What does that mean, sorry, third? What third question you mean? Sorry. So circle the line that is parallel to y equals 2x plus 8. Answer, okay. So parallel means it has the same gradient, so the same coefficient of x. So the gradient of this line actually is actually 2, so m is equal to 2. So we want our answer to be y equals 2x plus c, where c can be any other number here apart from 8, okay? So it can't be this one actually, because gradient here is equal to half here, so it can't be that one. That one, the gradient here is equal to -2, so it can't be that one. Okay, it can't be this one, so it must be this one. Okay, so the reason why it's this one, guys, is because if I add 2x to both sides, I get y is equal to 2x. 2x is parallel to 2x plus 8, okay, because it has the same gradient, the same coefficient of x. So that's my answer, okay? Does that make sense for the first one, guys? Make sense? Let me know in the chat. Thank you for liking. Thanks so much for liking. Okay, no one's actually responded. Okay, so question 2. Circle the line that is perpendicular to this. Now, perpendicular means it's the negative reciprocal, okay, of this gradient. So the gradient here is currently 2. So the negative reciprocal would be -1/2 or -1/2. Okay, which one has a gradient -1/2? It would actually be this one here. Okay, that one's a half, so it can't be that one. Okay, that one will be -2, so it can't be that one. That one's 2, so it can't be that one, so it has to be that one. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Hello, Keely. Welcome, welcome. Okay, good, good. Okay, next question. Okay, Neely says yes. Okay, let me know, guys, in the chat. Yeah, just make sure. Yeah, drop me a message or drop a comment. Yes, just so I can. Thank you, Kelsey, for liking. Thank you so much for liking. Okay, circle the line that passes through the origin. So it passes through the point 0, 0. Now this can only happen. Hello, ADZ. Okay, hello, welcome, welcome. Hello, user. If it's in the form y equals mx, see, because if it's plus c, c has to be 0, okay, because when x is 0, y is 0, c is equal to 0. So it has to just be in the form y equals mx, okay, and that one will be this option here, okay. If you sub in x is 0, y is 0, I get 0 minus 2 times 0, which is going to be 0 minus 2 times 0, which gives you the answer of 0 minus 0, which is 0. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Hello, Charlotte King. Welcome, welcome, Charlotte. Okay, good, good. Okay, are there any questions so far? Hello, Butterfly. Welcome, welcome. Are there any questions so far or just making sense? Hello, H. Okay, work out where the line 2y, so number 3, sorry, I wasn't here. Okay, yes, it's not worries, H. So circle the line that passes through the origin. So the origin has the coordinates is 0, 0. So we want our answer to be in the form y equals mx, okay, without this c. Okay, so if you sub in x is 0 here, it gives you 8 as your y coordinate, so we don't want that. If you sub in x is 0 into here, y is equal to 8. If you sub in x equals 0 into here, you get 8 minus 0 over 2, so y is equal to 4, so we don't want that. Hello, Kaylee, welcome, welcome. So we don't want that. So this is my only option, okay, y minus 2x equals 0. Okay, so subbing in 0 for x, 0 for y, I get 0, okay? Does that make sense now? Oh, first 3, I apologize, sorry. Okay, That's question 3, sorry. Okay, question number 1, sorry. So, parallel lines have the same gradient, so the same coefficient of x in the form y equals mx plus c. So we want a line that has y equals 2x plus c. Okay, it can't be that one because green is equal to a half here. Okay, thank you, Dot, for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow, Dot. Hello, Floyd. Welcome. Okay. Hello, Water Drop. So it can't be that one this year. It can't be that one because the gradient is equal to -2, and it can't be that one because gradient is equal to -1/2. Okay. So it has to be this one here. Okay. So, sorry, it has to be that one here. Okay. Does that make sense, guys, for question 1? So just drop yes in the chat if it makes sense. Hello, Amy. Welcome. Thank you for the follow. Okay, H said yes. Okay, good. Okay, Simon's got a thumbs up. Yeah, last question. I'm just about to actually start here, but someone obviously missed part of this live. Okay, so I'm going over this question. Question number 2, a line that is perpendicular. So perpendicular gradient is the negative reciprocal. So it means -1 over that number. So here the gradient is equal to 2. So we want the perpendicular gradient here to have the gradient of -1/2, because 2 times -1/2 equals -1, okay? Because perpendicular lines meet at a right angle, okay? So the product of the gradients has to equal -1, okay? And 2 times -1/2 equals -1, okay? Does that make sense? Ooh. Sorry. Does that make sense? Thank you, H, for liking. Okay, next question, guys. Question number 4. Work out where the line 2y minus 3x, thank you, H, for liking, -8 is equal to 0, crosses the y-axis. So the y-axis is when x is equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, so I'm going to have 2y, that's going to equal to 0, okay, because 3 times 0 is going to be 0, -8 is equal to 0. Adding 8 to both sides and then dividing by 2, we get that y is equal to 4. Okay, so it would be 0 and 4. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Let me know. Does that make sense? Okay, good. Are there any more questions on this, or can I move on? Okay, is it making sense so far, guys? Are there any questions? Okay, question number 5. Okay, here is a graph of a straight line. Work out the equation of the line. So it has to be in the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is your gradient. Thank you, Alham, for liking, or Ahlam, sorry. And c is your y-intercept. Okay, does that make sense so far? So we're going to pick 2 coordinates. So I'm going to pick this one here to make it easier. And then I'm going to pick this one here at the top. Thank you, H, for liking. So I've got the coordinates. I'll do it here, actually. I'll do it here because I've got a bit more space here. I've got the coordinates 0, 6, and 2, 0. Okay, are we happy with that? Are we happy with that? So, to work out the gradient is the change in y over the change in x. So it'd be this take away this and this take away this. So it's 0 minus 6 over 2 minus 0. Okay, and order here actually matters. 0 minus 6 is going to be -6. 2 minus 0 is going to be 2, so I'm going to get minus 6 halves, which is minus 3. So m is equal to minus 3. So now I can say, okay, well, I've got y is equal to minus 3x plus c. Okay, I'm now going to sub in one of my coordinates to work out what c is. So I'll sub in obviously 2, 0, 8 here to make it a bit easier. So when y is 0, x is 2. Minus 3 times 2 is going to be minus 6. So I'm going to have 0 is equal to minus 6 plus c. Adding 6 to both sides. 6 is equal to c. Therefore, c is equal to 6. Therefore, my final answer is going to be y is equal to minus 3x plus 6, guys. And that is my final answer. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Okay, no worries, yeah, no worries. Okay, because, so, it's the change in the y coordinate, okay? So, we're going from here down to here, okay? So, yeah. So, going from here down to here, okay? And then we're going across. Okay. Sorry, guys. My actual army is getting a bit dead now. I apologise. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Sorry. Are there any questions? Does it make sense? Can I move on? Okay, so to work out the plus c and no, yeah, it is a important question, Aiden. Yes, important question. So I pick a set of coordinates, I sub it into this equation here, and rearrange to make c the subject. Okay, so I subbed in the coordinates 2, 0. So x is 2 and y is 0. So I subbed that in and rearranged to work out what c is. Okay. Does that make sense now? So either one, yeah, either one actually. So either one. Sorry, yes. Sorry, H. Go on, yes. Yes, absolutely, yep. So either 0, 6 or 2, 0, yep. Either way would get you the same answer. Yes, higher paper, yes, Aiden, yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the rose. Thank you so much, H. For the rose, you legend. Thank you so much. Okay, are there any more questions, guys? Thank you so much for the rose. Oh, thank you so much, H. You legend. Thank you so much, H. Thank you so much, H. That's so kind of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Okay, can I move on, guys, or not? So my actual arm's getting a bit dead now, guys. I apologise. Sorry for shaking a lot. Can I move on? Okay, Eden says yes. Okay. Oh, sorry. That one's been done now. Okay. Okay, this one is a bit more easier now. So, solve the equation 3x plus 14 is equal to 2. So, I'm going to subtract 14 on both sides. So, I'm going to have 3x is equal to 2 minus 14 is minus 12. Yeah, I might actually, I might actually. What I'll do is I'll finish this question here, then I'll take a break of years. So I'll do up to question 7 here, then I'll take a break. No, it's alright, Aiden, honestly, it's fine. I don't mind actually, I don't mind. What I'll do is I'll do 6, 7 here, and then I'll come back on later. Thank you, I appreciate it. Thank you for being kind. Okay, so 3x minus 12, divide both sides by 3. So we get x is equal to minus 4. Okay, again, quite a common question. Okay, so next question, question number 7. Here is a graph. I've got y equals 3x minus 1. Okay, hello Mia, welcome, welcome. Okay, use the graph to find the solution to 3x minus 1 equals 0. So that's where it crosses on the x-axis. Okay, so we want this point here. Okay, it's a bit harder to see that. Yeah, see it on the screen. Okay, so I'll try to zoom in there. Okay. Oh, maybe it's not doing that. It's not going to focus. Okay. So, hello, Mr. Waffle. Welcome, welcome. So it goes up. So that'll be... So it's roughly... Okay, it's roughly 0.3 on the graph. Okay, roughly 0.3. Okay. So that's my answer for that question. 0.3. Okay. Obviously, if you solve it algebraically, then it will give you x is equal to 1/3. But it says use the graph to solve it. So that's why I've deliberately not put 0.3 reoccurring. I'm doing like a rough estimate. Okay. Right, guys. Are there any more questions? Okay. Are there any more questions? Because I'm going to take about a 10-minute break, guys. Yeah, and then I'll come back on. Are there any more questions? No worries, Simon, no worries. I'm happy to help you out, buddy. Happy to help you out. Are there any questions, Dom, or anyone that's in here? Right, guys. In like 3 minutes, yeah, I'm gonna shut off actually. So if there's not any more questions, then I'll come off the live actually. But I'll put the first question on the screen again. Okay, hello, Faye. Okay, guys, if you're not following me, guys, press that follow button, guys, yeah, and check out my content for GCSE maths. Okay. Thank you for all the gifts, guys. Thank you so much for all the gifts. Can we try and get to 5k likes, guys, before we finish? Thank you, Lavender, for the follow. Thank you so much for the follow. Hello, Cold Palmer. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Simon, for liking. Thank you so much, Simon, for liking. Come on, guys. 5k likes. Come on. Guys, we've got 9 new followers today. This is awesome. Guys, if you're not already... oh, yes. Come on. Thank you so much, Simon. Come on. 5k likes. Come on. Right, guys, I've got 2 more minutes here. Sorry, let me just put my camera down actually so I can rest my hand a bit. Are there any more questions, guys? Thank you so much, Samashia. Thank you for taking time, Samia, and coming to my live. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And thank you for all the gifts, guys. What I'll do is I'll set up like a new goal. So I'll set up 15 live fests. That's my new goal. For the next live. Hello, Emian, sorry. Guys, are there any more questions? Right, guys, I'll catch you all in a bit, guys. Yeah, I'll come on, yeah, in like 20 minutes, guys, yeah? I should see you all soon. Okay, press that follow button, guys, and check out my content. Go on, Simon, yeah? Bye, yeah, no worries, buddy, no worries. See you in a bit, guys. See you soon. Hello, Haja Queen. Hello, hi, welcome, welcome. See you soon, guys. See you soon. Bye for